So, good evening, guys. My name is Shruti. I'm working as a web developer in Iris Idea. So, today I'm going to talk about WordPress. I think some of them already know about the topic WordPress, what is WordPress, and all. So, those who have any experience or knowledge, don't have any experience, I think this session will help you. So let's start. So today I'm going to cover those topic. What is WordPress? Features of WordPress, common uses of WordPress, and WordPress just dashboard overview, and the themes and plugins, and also how to create a content. So first, WordPress is a content management system. So we'll call it as WordPress as CMS. That is like content management system. How we are managing the content in our site. So WordPress is commonly using for building a site. Okay. For if we want to build a static website or blogs. So we'll use as WordPress. So in that WordPress, in the backend, we are using the language as PHP. Anyone know about PHP? Am I audible, guys?
Yeah, we know it's a language. Then, apart from
Okay.
that, yeah.
Yeah, it's a language. So in the backend, we'll use PHP. So WordPress actually the simple platform actually. So we don't need much coding in that. Everyone, if you are a beginner also, you can easily go to WordPress and create one site. Okay. So in the backend for storing the content now, we are using MySQL as database. So what is next? Like features of WordPress. As I said, which is very easy because this is user friendly. Why? Because we can. This is actually we don't need to make it as responsive separately. It is responsive only. So I'll say like themes and plugins. No, the themes are nothing but it's a template. How it's look, how it will present the site and all. So there are multiple number of means thousand number of themes and plugins are available. I'll explain you detailedly what is themes and plugins and also SEO friendly. SEO, I think search engine optimization for Google indexing will use SEO, right? So we can use here in the WordPress, we can manage the SEO things also. And also it is responsive and a large support community is there. So these are the features of WordPress. So at last I'll show you a real-time example, okay? So why we are using common uses of WordPress, where we are using the WordPress. So widely we are using for blogs. While creating a blogs, no, any particular topic we want to add blogs, we'll use it as WordPress because it's managing the content. No, it's we can add the content and we can display according to the date and all. And also for business website, static website also we'll use WordPress. So I can say my our irisidea.com site. Have you ever seen? So it's in WordPress actually. And also we can say e-commerce store. I think everyone know about this e-commerce like Flipkart, Amazon, and all. So we can create that kind of website using WordPress. So for that we'll use one plugin called WooCommerce. Okay. And also for portfolio, other for membership site also we can create using WordPress. So this is the dashboard, okay? This is the dashboard of WordPress. We log in into the WordPress, we can see the first pages like this is the dashboard. From here, we are creating all the thing like blog or page, theme, everything we can do under here. So mainly it's coming post and page. Post are nothing but blogs, okay? For creating blogs, we'll choose as post here. Understood? Any doubt till now?
No, Shruti, clear.
Okay. And you can see the appearance here, no? So better I'll show you my screen. This is the dashboard, okay? So in the left side, we can see here the dashboard, and the all the things which I have mentioned in that PPT. Post is nothing but if we want to create a blog, no, we'll go here and here we can see the add post and all. And the page. Page is nothing but home page, about us, contact, service. We are creating the pages, no? We can just create here. And also there are many like appearance plugin. In the appearance, we can see the themes. Themes, I told you, it's nothing but a template, how the website look like. So there are many themes. We can just go here and we can just activate it. It will come to our site. So this is that. And what is themes and plugins? So there are many themes and plugins are available. So which is free also available and premium versions of available. The difference is premium version always contain the more feature. Like in the themes also the functionality ways, the plugin is nothing but a function. Okay, so it's a package of function. If you want to uh, if you want that particular feature in our site, we'll call just that plugin. We'll search that plugin and we'll just install the plugin in our site, so that time we'll easily get the functionality of that particular plugin. That is called plugin. It's nothing but an add-on actually. Okay. So how to create a content? So here, this is the basic theme I already installed. Okay, so let's see. So in the WordPress now, we can go to preview here itself. So here like you can see like visit site. If you click on that, it will come to our site. This is the symbol themes. I just installed it. I didn't add nothing, but I didn't added any content on that. So if we want to, means first we added one plugin, right? So if we want to add some more content, what we will do? If the theme is not provided, we need to add anyway, right? So for that we are using the builder, page builder. So there are many builder also actually. The very popular plugins are Elementor and the Beaver Builder, Divi Builder, WP Bakery. There are many actually. So commonly, first I'll explain you with the Elementor. Okay, this is a common plugin. So this is like plugin only. So from the dashboard, we'll go to plugin. Here you can see the add plugin, right? So after that, we'll just install. We can see like install, activate the thing. So Elementor plugin, I just already installed it. This is the pre version I just installed. If you want to more feature, no, we can make it as pro. So in our come to our site, this is the home page. Okay, this is the pages. So if I want to add any content here, what I'll do, like here you can see edit with Elementor. This is the page builder. So once I get into that page builder, you can see there many options. See, some are already premium. Premium feature you can just see as a locked. Okay, this is the free version I have installed. So, for example, I want to create one container here. So just click on that. I'm just selecting the structure here. So it's coming like two part. Okay. So here I want to add any like image. Here I will add content. So what we will do, like in the page builder now, we need to just drag and drop the thing. So here I want to add image, right? So here you can see the image, or else you can just search here image. Just drag and drop it here. That's it. And again here I want content, right? So I'll go here and text editor. I'll just drag and drop. It will come here. So whatever the content you want, no, you can just paste it here. I'm just copying. See how much you want, you can just copy here. So if you want to add any image, I'm just clicking that, just add. So like that, we can just drag and drop. We need no need to write any code behind that. We have this plugin and we are just moving and drag and drop. So for example, I need to add the heading on top of this image. I'm just adding here. So you need to align properly. So where you want to. If I don't want, I can just delete. Just align here on the top. Okay. It's coming here. Actually, I need to check. So let's add here for now. Yeah. So if you want to edit, you can just edit whatever you want. Okay. Just heading one, you can just edit. If you want to add button, similar way, we can add button. We can search here. We can tag and just top. And the style things now, we can get it here only. No need to go again back and style. Here you can change the color. See? So if you want to, while clicking on button, you need to redirect to some other page. No, you can just go here, paste that particular link here. So this is how we'll create a WordPress site. So like a plugin, we need to, if we want to integrate third party plugin or some other integration we want to do, we can do. So for example, if I want to add one Google Map. So in the Elementor itself, there is a Google Map actually. If you search on that, you can see the Google Map. Also, you'll get the premium means plugin itself. You will get. I'm just dragging and drop. It will come here, and I can just I'm putting Iris idea. See, it's coming here. So if we are not using this page builder, we need to add a Google Map now. So that time what we'll do like here we can, I will add one more container. So here what I'll do like I'll add one text editor. So in the code, I can add the HTML code. I think iframe is there actually. I think some of them already know about iframe. How will add? Like I'm just going the Google Map. So there is this is the different way. Okay, if you are not using any plugin, like we can just go to here, embedded. This is let's just for example, I'm just in small and copy. This is the iframe code. I'm just copying and in our code, I'm just pasting it. See, it's came. So if you want to see the real result, you can just preview from here only. It will show whatever we have done till now. It will show directly here. We can reduce the size, we can align, we can give the space bar, everything using the page builder. Like that plugin also. So this is one of the plugin called contact for if you want to add any contact form, right? There are many plugin, not only this one for example only. Like I just installed this plugin. So I want to show this plugin in our homepage. So what I'll do is the plugin itself give us one short code. Okay, I'm just copying and here I am just I want to paste. So for that, there is one block called shortcode. I'm clicking that, I'm just pasting the shortcode. See, the form came. So like that, WordPress, there is no much coding needed. Yes, if we want to create, we can also create our own plugin. So that time we need some coding and also settings part and all. But basically, the for the very basic for the beginners, there is no coding knowledge required for creating any static website. Yeah, this is all about WordPress. Anyone have any doubt?
No.
Okay,
Yeah, thanks, Shruti. It was nice presentation.
thank you, sir.